This thin, flattering metal foil, it's actually titanium. The technology to stretch titanium out to a thickness of a few microns, for which Japan can stand proud before the world, was born from the skills of Rikazai craftsmen. Using a cold rolling mill that is anything but new, a team of two working together in perfect coordination pass the metal through the rollers of the mill again and again, from the inserter to the receiver until it reaches the required thickness. Let us introduce you to the world of beautiful, ultimate thinness that only true craftsmanship can produce. What are the essential qualities of titanium? Titanium has excellent corrosion resistance. In particular, it is totally resistant to corrosion in seawater. While it is stronger than steel, it has only about 55% of the mass of steel, making it extremely light. If we compare it to aluminum, titanium has approximately 60% of the weight of aluminum, yet is roughly twice as strong. Titanium is light, strong and highly elastic, and has excellent low-temperature toughness, not becoming brittle at low temperatures. It is used in molded items such as springs, plate-type heat exchangers, welded pipes, various types of electrodes, etc. And because of its biocompatibility, it is also used in medical implants. Titanium alloys also have superior strength, corrosion resistance, and biocompatibility. And these properties are put to good use in aircraft, chemical plants, sports equipment, healthcare, etc. Its disadvantages are the difficulty of cutting and processing it, and its high cost.
チタンというと、一般的にも強くて、錆びにくいということで耐食性があるとか、あとは軽いということで言われてます。で、あともう一つチタンの特徴としては体に優しい、そのアレルギーとかそういうものにが起こりにくいということで、医療の分野にも使われているというところがあります。で、私どもとしては強い軽いとかそういった工業系の方のものはには収めてるんですけども、今取り組みとして川崎市の移行連携ということで、医療系の分野にもそのチタンの薄くした箔としてのものが使えないかということで、いろいろと何ですかね、移行連携さんと協力しながら開発をしているところです。それとあとは、チタンというと、薄い方としては私どもの圧煙箔としてはチタンは1ミクロンまで薄い材料ができるというのが特色でもあります。